My name is Vladimir Grebenny. I was born on October 4th, 1957.
Under the star of the first Sputnik. From my early childhood, I believed that the future is in space. I went to start my career as aeronautical engineer, and for a number of years, I was working in the areas of guidance and navigation of space vehicles. Some even call me Russian rocket scientist. Living on Earth, but not in space, one cannot fail to notice what is happening to our planet. Global pollution, greenhouse effect, depletion of oil and increasing global energy demand put a tremendous strain on the economy, on the businesses and on the ordinary person. This trend will continue with increasing pace, thus creating a real need for an alternative solution. Look at these two images. The first one is an ascent trajectory of the vehicle being launched into orbit. If the correct trajectory is not precisely held onto, the vehicle can leave Earth forever or fall back and burn in the atmosphere. The second one is a similar one, but this is a global energy consumption and production. If we do not find the right path, the consequences can be disastrous for our civilization. How do we get to the right path? Technology is the main engine which should propel us to the sustainable trajectory. There is a number of different technologies currently on the market, from old and tested to new and quite exotic. How can an user navigate in this flood of offerings and find those which suit best his or her specific requirements? How can they make the best use of the chosen technology? How do they incorporate it into their building or business operation? How can they ensure that the technology will continue to operate efficiently throughout its lifetime? We have the answers to all those questions. The evolution of technology and my own experience made me aware that any system, if successful, is built on the same underlying principles. These are the principles of systems architecture, and they are universally applicable from space to Earth, from sustainable building to sustainable community. We utilized these principles when we implemented the new approach called Aero-Solar Control Energy Network Technology, or Ascent. Ascent can provide energy for hot water and heating for practically any building or facility. It is built on the principles of system architecture. It consists of a core and add-on components which allow technology to accommodate to specific environment, extend, scale up, or phase in. This technology uses from 60 to 80% less energy than any conventional technology. This is the Brook, a 24-condo residential building in North Vancouver, built in 2009. It is the greenest building of this kind in Canada, if not North America. It is the first and the real proof of concept adopted by Ascent. A good comparison of such building is with a human body. As a body, it has bones, its structure, skin, its walls, and internal organs. The heart of the building is its heating and cooling system. It consists of integrated geothermal, soil thermal, and high-efficiency gas boilers. Together, then provide most comfortable temperature throughout the building, regardless of any conditions outside, and hot water demand for any domestic needs. The solar thermal subsystem takes the energy from the sun through the vacuum tube UV collectors installed on the roof. As in the body, there are also sensors which send information to the brain building management subsystem. It processes the information and controls all other parts of the building to ensure they operate in the most efficient way. I used to look to space for the future. Now I'm back to Earth, so to speak. And I'm bringing space technology with me to ensure the future is here, and it is now.